So done with the breakfast here at Renuka, and it started raining, and now it's on our way to Kudremukh. So look at the water out there. There's full water. Wow. Check out the force of the water out there. Man, it's crazy. So it has been raining here, and there's no current here from yesterday. Yesterday there was a block from morning till evening 4 o'clock at Kudremukh. That was the information given by Hotel Renuka. And the breakfast was yum. So it's time to head towards Kudremukh now. So if it rains, there won't be fog, so you can easily go. But if it isn't raining, it's going to be super foggy, and the visibility is going to be less than 50 meters. And today we are maintaining average speed, not too high, because it's raining and the roads are slippery. So our speed is anything between 50 to 70. That's the max. And I sent the first batch ahead because it will take some time for us to get the entry done. So as and when the bike entries happen, we'll go ahead. So the main thing is getting the entry there, and you have to reach point B, that's the Samse point, before the given time or just on time. Any delay, they'll be charging you a fine. And especially now, because of rainy weather, they normally don't let such a big number of motorcycle to go. They say you will block the ghat unnecessarily, so we'll have to tell that we are going to a homestay or something and then go in that road, otherwise they'll not let us go. So we are saying we are going towards Kalasa for this place called Coffee Gudda, which is a homestay, beautiful homestay in Kalasa, Coffee Gudda. There's a nice hanging bridge to enter the homestay. I'd been there quite a long ago. Recently I haven't been, so need to plan one visit there as well. But then the rain ride is going as per schedule. And if it's just drizzling like this, you can still expect fog. But if it rains heavily, the fog will go off. Bale होते जरा है भले भले एंट्री मन पगा will slip because you're on the extreme corner, and you see those green patches on the white line is all the algae which is formed, and you never know when that can get really dangerous, so you need to be as careful as possible. And looks like traffic jam, no, there is no traffic jam. And I think they've done up the road here because roads are really good now. Or else not too long ago, I think it was just 2 months ago when we had come, the roads were gone. They were not at all there. Now so far so good. Otherwise all these roads were complete potholes. And last season when we came, it was horrible roads. See, you keep getting glimpse of this fog here. There's fog here also. Oh yeah, see, you keep getting glimpse of fog. And again there's a fallen branch here. So now it started raining a little heavier, and that in result is the water that you can see on the road. Look at this water. All of that flows from the gutter on the extreme ends. When it fills up, when the water in the gutter fills up, they all come on the road if they don't have enough space to go. Look at this. This is a small jerry kind of a thing on your right hand side. When you look at that, see this. And then these water flowing on the road gets illusionary sometimes, as if it's taking the road the other side. Now it started getting a little foggy, and the visibility drops. I am not too sure how much you can figure out when you are seeing through the camera a bit, but then when you are seeing through your naked eyes, the visibility is getting a little challenging. So if you want to come this time of the year at this place, I am definitely going to recommend, please go ahead, because the roads have become really good. See, these were all broken roads and all have been fixed so far, at least for the last 10 plus kilometers. Roads are completely good. And not a sign of our boys so far. All are ahead. Okay, here is where I think the roads start getting a little bad. See the cracks in the road and these small potholes. Yeah, from here the roads change. It's not the same as how it was all this while. So the first 10 kilometers is good, and after that it's slowly kind of broken roads like these and a lot of potholes. And then you have these gravels on the road which kind of is slippery. You want to be careful with that. Though it's raining here slightly, it's foggy. And as we climb up, it's going to be worse. So Hanuman Gundi we used to go during our college days. Now it's shut down. another 18 kilometers to Kudremukh, and then from there to the checkpost should be another few kilometers. And the fog continues. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at this. Proper waterfall. Ha. So looks like we have one of our riding members. So got one batch, just covered them. Let's see if we can catch the other one as well. So they've gone in multiple batches. This is truly turning out to be one crazy monsoon ride. I mean, this is what you want during monsoon. Throughout the ride you should get rain, and that's what we are getting. And to add on to that is the waterfalls and these trees falling, and then you have water on the road. This waterfall is beautiful to the left hand side. Hopefully while coming we'll stop.